It is so crystal clear. I hope you guys can see this. I'm still getting some sun glare. I can literally see gravel. Alright, we're going to try the zoom thing again. I know it doesn't always work. Here we go. You see the gravel? It's just incredible how clear it is. I cleaned that second filter about this time last night, around 7 o'clock. And 24 hours later, I see gravel. Oh, the sun glare is so hard, guys. I'm sorry. I'm trying. Hi. Yeah, I hope you guys can see. The lights are very bright. Just trying a couple different times a day, see if you guys can see a little bit better. It's about 7 p.m. here. Sun is setting. Blind ya? Nice clear skies. There's the raven. It's lovely out, and I can see my fish all the way to the bottom of the pond. The yellow is from the roof, the overhang. Our house is like a weird light yellow. But the water really is not yellow. There's some ick still on the plants, but that's getting taken care of. As you can see, it is crystal clear coming out of the filter. So there you go. I'll try a little bit later. Maybe I can get some more better shots. I don't know. But I hope you guys can see. It's really clean. And I'm loving it. Alright, talk to you soon. Bye.